guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your friend Harshad, and today I have a very interesting video for you. So today we are actually going to see how you can actually make these little things. Can you guess what these are? These are delivery miniature packages, and it's not very difficult to make them. It's actually very easy to make them, and if you have die-cast cars or trucks and you want to make delivery boxes like this, as like way to show them and to accessorize your die-cast collection, this is a very good opportunity for you to create your own. And you can actually think of buying them from eBay or something, but I don't think it's really necessary to buy them. You can just make them. So I'm going to walk you through what are the steps you need to follow to make your own delivery boxes. You do need a few things, a few resources to make them. So first thing is, obviously you need access to the internet, Google, and on Google you just have to type delivery box template, and then you might find a lot of templates like these. Let me show you one example like this. Right, this is a template, and these are also the templates. Once you are able to find these templates, all you have to do is print them out on a color printer. That's very important. You can print black and white as well if that particular box has only black and white content on it, but preferably to get ultra realistic look you need a color printer. If it's a laser printer, even fantastic result you'll get, but even a desk jet printer, which I have at home, I think you can get very good results too. So once you print them, and try to print multiple templates in the same page so that you don't waste a lot of paper, and you get more boxes out of it, right? So this is the step 2, is to print them, and then once you have printed them, you have to cut them to its logical the shape, exact shape. Here your skill will come into cutting skills will come into picture, where how nicely you cut will define how perfect the edges become, right, for your boxes. I mean, even if you are a little bit rustic, you can still get away with it. It's not a big deal, to be honest with you, because these are delivery boxes, they get beat up. So if that particular box is a little bit not perfect, that only indicates that it was not handled properly, and it also adds some kind of a character to the story you're trying to tell. But try to make perfect boxes if you can, right? So now this is the step in which you have cut. Now the next step is to actually, all these lines which you see, you need to actually fold them so that it starts looking like a box. So I'm going to do that right away. So let me do that. So it's very easy actually. Just it's hard to do it in front of a camera. I will try to do it as quickly as possible. There you go. And we have almost folded. Now one important thing is, when you're going to fold these things, these flaps, they also need to be cut. So let me do that quickly. I think I have a much bigger scissor than I need, but that's the one I have at the moment. Right. So we have most of the things here. Everything is looking good. Now you can't just have this box, it needs something inside, right? If you see here, I'm able to press it and it doesn't crumble, right? So for that, what I did was I got this styrofoam based sheet and I just cut it to the right size, and then I just added that as a reference, and there you go. Just everything adds up. Just fold them to your desired creases. Now you have to make sure that the filling is of the right proportion. So here you can see it's not perfect, right? So you need to make sure that the stuff you put in. So I might need one more sheet, but not the full sheet, half sheet. So I'll just do that quickly and come back to you. Hey guys, I'm back. So one step I would definitely recommend is, if you're adding multiple layers in the padding, please stick them together so that they stay together. So that's what I'm going to do now. I forgot to mention that step. And then you add that here. And you know what, let's make sure that, because I'm in front of that camera, I have restricted mobility in the thing, so I'll just put glue all over the place so that it sticks properly. Yeah, there you go. And make sure the glue you choose, it should not be water based, or else problem with the water based glue, I'll show you what I mean. Water based glue. Right, so there you go. Just folding them together, and then we have this. Very nice. There you go. It's all coming together. Alright, this portion inside. So just make sure there's good glue on this as well. So I will just add a little bit glue here. Okay, that's the section which will go inside. Will get tucked. Looks like a real messed up box, delivery box. So even if you mess up a little bit, like you see here, it's not perfect at all, but it's a delivery box. I mean, obviously they can't be perfect all the time, but there you go. It is almost done, and there you have it, a delivery FedEx Delivery Express box right in front of you. Looks pretty real. So the same process can be repeated with different templates, and you do the same steps, and you will get the desired results. They look really cool. This template actually comes even with this extra level of detail where you put the tape on the box. It looks even more fantastic. I did not put the tape on these two, but yeah, I mean, it's your choice how you want to make them. And I will quickly show you how they look inside the delivery van. Let me get the glue out of the way. So we have this beautiful van, not van, pickup truck, 1940, and it is a beautiful truck with loads of Amazon deliveries. I mean, it's like blast from the past kind of situation where we are using a 1940s pickup truck for delivering Amazon packages which are from the current generation. But yeah, you get the idea. So there you go, beautiful. I really like these boxes. They look really nice together when they're stacked. It looks really fantastic. Definitely I'll be incorporating them in my diorama so that it looks more and more cooler. There you go, looks amazing. What do you guys think? So with this, I would like to wrap up the video. If this video really helped you in any way, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so that it gives me a lot of encouragement and the motivation to bring such cool content for you. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye.